We're going to install our door pocket lens kits for Model 3. So they come in 3 colours to match the colours of the ultra bright bulbs and the footwell bulbs that we already sell. So purple, red and blue. Obviously the door lights are already white, so we don't do a white lens version. So we're going to install the red, that's what we already have in the footwells. We're obviously doing this in daylight, you won't see a thing, but we'll take some photos later and then put those at the end of the video so you can see what they do. But really they're just meant to complement the footwell lights with the little lights that are just under here in the door. So, with that said, this is a pretty awkward thing to film, but there's just 2 of them. It really doesn't matter which one you use on left and right. Technically this is the left one, but as I say, not a big deal at all. The instructions on the back just kind of explain roughly what you need to do, but the bottom end is that the narrower end goes towards the back of the door. So we're going to take this one, and then we're going to get under here, and you'll see underneath the door there's kind of the bolt that holds the door trim onto the door, and then there's the light slot just to the left of it as you're looking at the door, and that's what we're going to cover up with this. Just peel off the sticky, and then you'll see it just kind of lines up with the opening for the bolt. Just apply a little bit of pressure, and that's it. Incredibly simple. As I say, it's just really a complement to the other lights, but it just means that you have the same light throughout on the inside of your Model 3. And that's it.